It's food o'clock on Real Ale Craft Beer. I've just finished doing an epic stout battle. Guinness versus Aldi's Mulligans versus Home Bargains, Dorothy Black versus Anne Spatch and Hobday's London Black versus Jeremy Clarkson's Hawkston Lager. This is one of those beers. Well, actually two that I've blended into one glass. And I think we're in a golden age of stout. A golden age of draft stout where they're all competing against Guinness. But halfway through that review, I was getting a little bit peckish. I really was. And I reached for the crisp cupboard. We are heading into Christmas 2025. These are Pringles Pigs in Blankets flavour. I've had a couple of beers. I'm going to say it how it is. This is probably going to be some kind of ham flavoured crisp or bacon flavoured crisp. Hidden behind the Pigs in Blankets flavour name because it's all pork, isn't it? It's all pork. It's probably all porkies. So, that's those. And then the other flavour is roast turkey flavour. How original by Pringles. Fun fact, Pringles are actually produced by Kelloggs. Whenever I tell people Pringles are made by Kelloggs in person, they go, oh yeah, that makes sense. That makes sense. If you think of a Kellogg's cornflake and then a Pringle, it's not a billion miles away, is it, really? So, Pigs in Blankets, Pringles. I thought this flavour would be sort of flying out of this cardboard container. But what I'm getting is that sort of, I'm picking up more of the ready salted Pringle than anything else. That classic Pringle flavour of potato, mushy mashed potatoes that have been shaped up into Pringles. There's a look at them. Pale. I thought maybe they would have used some paprika in this to get them that sort of like coloured golden bacon looking, sausage looking colour. But no, they're quite pale. Let's get in. These were £1.75 per container. £1.75 each. Yeah. Ham, bacon, remember when honey glazed ham crisps were a thing? Bacon crisps were a thing. Yeah, this is just bacon flavour. A bacon flavour called Pigs in Blankets. I mean, it's sausage wrapped in... It's bacon that's wrapping around the sausage. God, I had a brain fart then. I couldn't work out what a pig in blanket was. The trouble is with Pringles though, is that I've just mentioned I've had a couple of beers, at least. And that whole slogan of when you pop you can't stop, my goodness me. After 4 beers, give me a pack of ready salted or salted Pringles, and my goodness me, I could eat the whole damn plastic cardboardy container full of them. People are going to like these because it's Christmas. I don't want to be bar humbug, I don't want to be the Grinch here, but it's just bacon flavoured Pringles or ham flavoured Pringles. It's some kind of what we perceive as what a pig tastes like in this sort of flavour. They're alright. They weren't going to shock me. Turkey flavoured Pringles, mind you, they might do a completely different thing. They might completely change my... I've got an urge to drink for some reason. These stouts are delightful. Blend them all together when you've got bits left in each glass. Make a pint out of it. You're getting a taste of each one. There's the turkey, the roast turkey looking Pringles. I don't mind that these look pale because turkeys are pale, aren't they? Especially the breast meat. A little bit of speckled green on the outside of these Pringles. What do they smell like? Chicken. Haha, chicken crisps. Here we go. Herby, zesty. They start off with that classic Walker's roast chicken crisp flavour. And I was about to go, ooh, that's really boring. But actually, there's a taste of herbs here and there's a nice sort of lemon zestiness coming through. Yeah. Quite a sharp lemon zest, lime zest. I'm glad they're different. It's a classic roast chicken flavour with herbs and a zestiness. Don't look at the ingredients. Don't look at the ingredients on Pringles. My wife always says to me, I'm eating old-fashioned crisps that just have potatoes and salt on the ingredients list and some vegetable oil. And when you read the back of a Pringles tub, it's like reading a book. Yeah, they're not the most... I wouldn't say Pringles are the most healthiest snack for you. I generally just take a blind eye. If you say the ingredients are over there to Pringles, I'll look over there. Look over there, the sun's out, look, nice. The sun's shining and the beach is wavy and yeah, wonderful over in that direction. Just don't look. Don't look at hell. They're Pringles crisps. They're Pringles crisps. I prefer the roast turkey. They're better, much better, than the pigs in blankets. The pigs in blankets were boring. They were a 5 out of 10. The roast turkey, 7. 7 out of 10. I hope you liked the video. Please put your comments in the comments box. Subscribe to our daily beer and food reviews. Give us a big fat thumbs up. Boom. Cheers.